If you're seeing the error message, Photoshop could not initialize due to unexpected end of file, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by a corrupted preferences file, a damaged temporary file, or a simple permissions problem. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 proven methods to fix this error step by step. Even if Photoshop won't open at all, the first method will still work. Make sure you follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, your Photoshop should be running normally again. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software fixes. Let's get started. Method 1 is deleting the Photoshop Preferences folder manually. This works even if Photoshop refuses to open. First, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. In the box, paste %appdata %\Adobe, then press Enter. This will open the Adobe folder inside your roaming appdata directory. Now look for a folder called Adobe Photoshop 2026 Settings. If you're using a slightly different version, the year may vary, but the name will be very similar. Once you find that folder, right-click on it and choose Delete. You are removing the entire settings folder. Don't worry, this will not delete your projects or images. It only resets Photoshop's configuration files. After deleting the folder, close the window and restart Photoshop. When Photoshop launches again, it will automatically create a brand new settings folder. In most cases, this immediately fixes the unexpected end-of-file error because you've removed the corrupted preferences file that was blocking startup. If that didn't solve the problem, move on to method 2, which is deleting temporary Photoshop files. Sometimes this error appears because a temp file became corrupted during a crash or improper shutdown. Again, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. This time, type %temp% and press Enter. This opens your system's temporary files folder. Here, look for any files that start with Photoshop Temp. You may see multiple files depending on recent activity. Select those Photoshop Temp files and delete them. If some files say they are in use, just skip those and delete the rest. Once you've removed the temp files, restart your computer completely. After your system boots back up, try opening Photoshop again. Clearing these temporary files often resolves initialization errors caused by damaged cache data. If you're still facing the issue, method 3 is to run Photoshop as an administrator. Sometimes this error happens because Photoshop doesn't have the proper permissions to access certain files or folders. To do this, close Photoshop if it's open. Then locate the Photoshop icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Running the application with elevated permissions can bypass file access restrictions that trigger the unexpected end-of-file error. If Photoshop opens successfully, you can also set it to always run as administrator by going into Properties, Compatibility, and checking Run this program as an administrator. So to quickly recap, first delete the Photoshop settings folder in appdata, second clear the Photoshop temp files in the temp directory, and third try running Photoshop as administrator to fix any permission issues. One of these 3 methods fixes this problem in almost every case. If this video helped you fix Photoshop, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.